So let's say you have a scene in Godot where you want to grab the object under the mouse. Let's use raycasting to grab the object. First, within our input function, check our event and see whether it's the left mouse button. Then we want to grab the mouse event's position, save that as a vector2. We now want to create a new function for handling the raycast to grab our physics body 3D. Remember, static body 3D, character body 3D, and rigid body 3D all fall under the physics body 3D type, as all three of those inherit from the physics body 3D type. In our new function that returns a physics body 3D, first create a world space variable. Create the start of our raycast at the origin position, or in other words, start at our mouse. Output a ray for a certain distance. Create a dictionary that contains a bunch of data on our intersected ray. If our resulting dictionary does not contain a key for a collider, nothing was hit, and we return null. If we did find it, cast our collider to be a physics body 3D. We can then use this code for whatever we would like to. In this case, I create labels after clicking on the object. And voila, now we can raycast from the camera and get any object we click on. We can then call code to do stuff with that. Code is on my website if you'd like it. Click the like and subscribe buttons for more.